So let's show you this. I've logged in as someone with a team manager permission set. It will only show the teams that they're managing, so teams that I'm not a manager of will be hidden from me. If we go into a team, this vertical navigation here is now very much limited. We can see the Home tab. You can see the distributors, but you can't get to them. You can go into your team members and you can toggle them on or off. You can also remove them and you can add new team members. You can adjust people's weighting and caps, and you can change the hours people work. Anything that could potentially break how the distribution works beyond turning your team off has been hidden. Outside of distribution teams, we've also hidden access to distribution settings, the console, and within distribution tags, for example, they will only be able to see people who are assigned to teams that they manage. And that's the same for availability, including out of office entries, distribution logs, and dashboards. So the idea is to restrict what managers can see, to keep them focused and let an administrator take care of the rest.